performing Hara. First of all, we have what's called our Dan Tian, which is about 2 inches below your belly button, 2 or 3 fingers below your belly button. Imagine a small little golf ball size of golden light. And this is your main Hara point. It's called your Hara point or your Dan Tian. And this is your energy center that you're going to breathe into. And all you need to do is you need to think about putting noses on the bottom of your feet. And you're going to inhale through the noses on the bottom of your feet, and you're going to pull golden light up through the bottom of your feet into this area by your belly button. So you're just going to breathe in, pulling light into that spot about 3 inches below your belly, 2 inches below your belly button. And you're just building this golden ball of light by breathing in and getting it bigger and bigger. You can add a mudra to this, where you take your left hand down and your right hand up to pull that energy up and create a column of gold light to that ball. Once you get that down, you're going to take that column and you're going to continue to pull that column all the way up through your spine, out the crown, into the heavens, so that there's one column of light running from the heavens all the way down through into the center of the earth, and you're going to hold that mudra. Eyes open. The reason we keep our eyes open is because that keeps us grounded in reality on this earth. It doesn't let us drift off into other areas and lose our focus. So we always do Hara with our eyes open, feet a little bit spread apart, charging that little gold ball called your Dan Tian. And you can pull up with your inhale all the way up into the heavens. Exhale all the way down back into the earth. And your intention is all you really need. You can switch the breath around. I can pull from the heavens on the inhale and send it into the earth. I can pull from the heavens all the way down to the center of the earth and exhale back up to the heavens. There is no right or wrong way to do this. You'll learn and figure out what works best for you. For most people from Kundalini exercises, we know that inhaling up is a very natural way, and exhaling down is a very normal way, and it feels right. That's what feels right to me. I've learned before, I used to try to pull up through my head, down into my Dan Tian, and then push it down into the ground. It works. It's not wrong, but you can do it either way. Inhale up, exhale down. You can inhale down, exhale up. Once you get good at this, you can do both at the same time. And that's really what you want to focus on. You want to create that column of light all the way from the heavens through your high heart, which is right here at your collarbone, into your Dan Tian, into the center of the earth. And that's Hara.